This thing is basically built to kill tires, do donut wheelies, and just put on a show. I'm Zach Pinnock, and behind me is my 2019 Polaris RZR we call Hellraiser. We're here at Holley LS Fest East with Burnout Wars. This thing started out as a backyard LS swap RZR when I got it. It was pretty rough. So we tore this thing all the way down to bare frame, new motor mounts, new CV axles, Texas Speed 408, twin turbos from Comp, they're 68 millimeters. My buddy Jesse helped me with all the fab work. We're running this thing on a Holley Dominator. We've got two MSD solid state relays. We got the Holley Big Pro Screen, the 12.6. I have not done a test burnout in this thing yet, so tonight we're gonna put it on the pad in front of 10,000 people and see how it does. The only driving I have is around here. So we got a couple little bass tunes on it. Sent some logs to the tuner. He sent me a new tune, so it's ready to party. I'll show you guys a Holley Dominator, but I got it tucked in beside one of the skid plates. The reason I run a Dominator is it internally logs, so I can just hook my laptop up to it, pull my logs, check them, make sure everything's good. I don't have to have a little flash drive or anything. I don't have to have a laptop hooked up for data logging. So upgrade that Dominator as soon as you can. So I ordered a unterminated harness for this thing. Holley sells those where you can make your own links and then you can pin all your own plugs in it. We have the two MSD solid state relays. They're running the fans, the trans fans, oil cooler fans. I actually have my coils and my injector power coming from one of those. You set those on your outputs on your Dominator. They kick on with the key. Basically, you can go in the outputs and set it up however you want, but you basically turn it like a car and it does everything itself. So this build took about 2 months. We got it done Wednesday night at 11 o'clock. Drove it on the trailer, strapped it down, took a shower, drove 12 hours here. Got here, we were fighting a cam sensor signal. The Holley Tech team were here for 4 hours helping me out. The cam sensor was reading good on the system log, but it actually was bad. We thought it was a wiring problem. We diagnosed everything, timing, injectors, coils, and it was a dang cam sensor. Like I said, this thing has a Texas Speed 408 with some twin comp turbos. To put the power to the ground, it's got a shorty Powerglide with a Gen 5 Camaro rear diff with custom Porsche 930 CV axles out to a set of sandrail hubs. We had to go to a 33 spline because a 24 spline's been on back order for 6 months. We had to overnight those from Cali on Tuesday because Monday was a holiday. So we really didn't set this thing on the ground until Wednesday. So we're running a 20-gallon fuel cell, and to get the fuel to the motor, we're running a Holley VR1 with a variable speed. So we set that up in the outputs on the Dominator, so above 2,500, that fuel pump kicks to high speed so you don't lose fuel pressure. Super easy, nice mounting location, dash 10 fuel lines off of it. This thing run on E85R, should make about 900 when we turn the boost up. So tonight at 8:45, Burnout Wars is taking over the pad. I'm gonna put this thing out there and see what it'll do. Hopefully kill a set of tires, keep the rods in, tires off, have a party, let's go.